Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the octal to decimal number in C language. So first I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better with my video lecture. And here Turbo C++, I double click and take some process. And now yes is open Alt F file menu taking new file. And here our goal, write a program to convert uh, octal to decimal number. So it's that you have to know both number systems. So 0 to 7. So that is a octal number, and that is 3 bits we have to that table 0, that 00, then 1. Yes, so all that you have to refer, and decimal 0 to 9, that is a base of 10, 0 to 9. And now I can give one example so you can understand. So like this is the, we can say that it is a octal number. So we can convert, yes, here equivalent to, that is decimal number. So you can separate, yes, here first we can separate like 4, and then we can say that I use x as multiply, and that is a 8 that upon 0. So yes, I use this sign to 0 first, and then yes, here you have to know. So then next, that is a first, we can say that step 1. So that is I step by step explain. And with second step, we can say that here that is a step I separate some. So that is a next digit, we can 0, and then multiply 8. Yes, and upon that is a 1. So yes, that is, and now step, that is 3 digits, so 3 step. Yes, and here that 3 multiply 8, that upon 2. So now we can solve that, like first that answer. So 8 upon 1, so that is a 0, means that 1, and then 4, so 4 here answer. And here there are 0 multiplication, so that is all are 0. And here that we can say that here now I can some 2 digit, that answer is like 8 to the 864, and then multiply 3, so we can say that 192. Yes, and then all are sum, that plus. So here that answer, that is a 196. Yes, so here that we can get 196, that is a decimal number. So I think you have to know very well. So 196 here that we can find out. So yes, that is a paperwork. So now I can give as multi-comment line, that is just for your reference. So how I give simple way, so how do you find the octal to decimal number. So now that is, let us start. Based on this process, we can develop our logic. So first our header file, standard input output, and then Conio console input output, and now that is a void main. Yes, and that we can first take long, yes, here long octal. Yes, we have to scan, and decimal assign to 0, and then I assign to, that is also 0. Yes, and then clear the screen. So first I can scan 1, that is our input is a octal number. So enter 1, we can say that octal number. Yes, here can scan octal number. So that is a perfectly, and then percentage LD. Yes, here long integer. So that is a LD, that formatting symbol. So I not assign octal OCT variable because we have to scan, and decimal to 0, and I is also 0 because that upon we have to use as a I. So that is start with 0. Yes, and that octal is a base is 8. So now we can start. Yes, here that number programming you have to know very well, that is a while loop is a best choice, and here we can also use not equal to 0, that is a while loop. And now we can take as that is a decimal, and we can that plus. yes, short plus equal to, and we can say that octal, yes, and modulo. So we can separate every digit to 10, and then multiply. Yes, I use as a power function. So like 8 upon I. So I start with 0. So here you can look, first is 0, then 1 and 2. Set it upon. So here we can include as a math.h. So that is a use of power function, that is inbuilt function. And now that is I is increment plus plus. And now we can take, yes sir, so octal. So we can find that is a octal number divide equal to 10. So that is a getting by new number. So that is a octal number we can convert in decimal number. So that is decimal is a base is a 10. So we can divide modulo 10 and division also 10. So we can get the, we can say that octal to decimal number is, and percentage LD, LD, yes, LD, yes, no, and then DEC, decimal, that is variable name, and then that is just get ch, we have to last, and I save this file. So we can say that octal to decimal dot c. Yes. So let us, that is save, and now yes I compile. Yes, there is no any error, and let us check. So I give like 10304. So that is a 196. That perfectly our answer. So yes, sir, that a very simple logic I developed for same as our paperwork. Here I done first paperwork, and then we can find that is simple, very three. And also here I give the short logic. Here one statement I can remove I plus plus. So where? So here that is in power. So here you can also plus plus as a postfix. Only two statement that is remaining. So now I can just again run, and now I can, that is a 10, and then we can say that 40. So that is a 5544. Yes, that is our answer, octal number. So decimal number octal, yes, here that is decimal, L is remaining. So now perfectly, and now I take as a watch window. So alter W and take as watch, and again alter W and that output window. We can trace our logic step by step. So I first set our watch, and that is a octal. So we can scan, then decimal only 3, and I. So there are only 3 variables in this logic. So now let us check. So over I press F7. So that is a start the tracing. So you can look that DEC in watch window that assigns 0, and now clear the screen. So our output window is blank, and now octal. So 304 300 4 that I scan, that not equal to 0. Yes, that while loop is true. And then here you can look I is 0. So upon 8 upon 0, and that modulo separate the digit, and decimal plus equal, that is a compound assignment. So decimal equal to decimal and this statement. So that is a full form of this statement, that is short. And here also I use short compound. So octal equal to octal divided by 10. So you can look now, yes, that 4 is a separate, and then yes, so multiply 4, decimal remaining 4, and now that is new number. So divide by 10, so only 13. That again not equal to 0. Yes, here continue, and now that modulo 10, so 0 and multiply, so all are 0. So you can, and then remaining 4, not any increment. Yes, and then I plus plus also. So that is a, now new number is only 3, and 3 that is a upon means we have to separate the 3. So and that 8 upon 2, so 60, and that multiply 3, so 192, and then 4, so 196. That is our answer. And next 3 divided by 10, so that is a 0, and while loop is false, and that is our answer. Yes, you can 196. So that is the best I can, simple way I can explain, and step by step here we can solve to our definition. So I think you have to know very well. So Yes, write this program to your C notebook. Any doubt or any question regarding this definition, here first only two statements. I develop the logic for you and very simple octal to decimal number, how to convert in C programming. So now I can close this file. Yes, alter F3 function key, watch an output window and quit. So subscribe my channel Ashok Sijal Academy, press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting and sharing my video lecture, and Hare Krishna.